Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use BandLab on Android. Start by downloading and installing the BandLab app on your Android device from the Play Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You may be asked to sign in or create an account, so follow the on-screen steps to continue. When you are inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the plus icon. This is where you start creating a new project. After tapping it, select the option that says Open Studio. This will take you to the editing workspace. Next, choose the voice and audio option. The app may ask for permissions like access to your microphone. Allow these permissions so you can record properly. Once everything is set, you will see a record button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and start recording your voice. Speak clearly and take your time. After recording, swipe down the voice track from the top of the screen. This helps you manage your tracks easily. Now, tap on the plus icon again to add more elements to your project. This time, select Instruments. You will see a list of instruments to choose from, such as piano, drums, or guitar. Pick any instrument you like and start playing it directly on your screen. You can record the instrument just like you recorded your voice. If you want, you can keep adding more tracks and instruments to make your project richer. Once you are satisfied with your creation, look for the Save or Publish option. Tap on it to save your work or share it directly from the app. Thanks for watching.